We have extended invites to a large number of nations, and so far we have got responses from over 55 countries who have expressed their willingness to attend all the three events. A very large number of navies are also participating through high-level delegations in addition to sending their ships. But as you are aware, we've still got 4 months to go. So these numbers will change because some confirmations are still coming. And as the geopolitics evolve, we cannot predict, what's going to happen after 7 days or 15 days. So there is going to be a change in the numbers. So I'll not be able to tell you exactly how many, navies or the countries have confirmed. But definitely we are expecting more than 55, as brought out in the presentation also. And yes, both the United States as well as Russia are participating. They have indicated that they will be sending their ships. And we are also expecting some aircrafts, maybe, but it's still work in progress, as I brought out. Insofar as other countries are concerned, the decision-making process with respect to hosting events at such a large scale, wherein there's a huge amount of international participation, is based on a large number of factors, which primarily include the current geopolitical environment, evolving, diplomatic situations that are happening. As you are aware, we are in a state of flux. So a lot of things are happening on almost a weekly basis, if not on a daily basis. There are certain regional dynamics. There are certain strategic alignments, not only ours, but even of other countries, amongst themselves. And when we conduct these events, we try to ensure that we maintain a balance between all such issues that we need to factor in while we extend our invites. And while not all countries may be included in every forum, but this is not an indication of their standing in the international, domain or their global standings as such. These invites are basically aimed to maintain that the focus of IFR and Milan remains what we want it to be, that is constructive engagements amongst the participant countries and aligned with our intended objectives of continuing to engage with the international community in accordance with our policy of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam.